Ce jour-là, j'ai laissé le bureau, disons vers 4h, 4h30 pour aller chez moi. Et j'étais en pleine nuit lorsque cela s'est passé. C'était vraiment difficile de voir les maisons tomber, de voir des gens, autant de blessés, autant d'enfants morts. C'était tragique.
I know I was really panic, and I didn't know what to do, where to go. I was running in the parking lot. I don't know what to do, and I saw the building like, shaking, and it was really stressful. And I thought that it was the end of the world.
We were looking at the building because we thought that it would collapse, and we didn't know if there were still people inside. So we were trying to see if everybody was outside. But people were screaming, and there was that lot of dust. And this is when we realized that a lot of houses had collapsed in the area. So it was very scary. And until now, I keep hearing this noise. The noise, blow. Until now, sometimes I hear this noise.
J'ai marché à pied pendant plus de 2 heures de temps pour arriver chez moi. Effectivement, arrivé chez moi, la maison était effondrée et j'ai vu mon mari en train d'enlever certains décombres pour récupérer ma fille, ma belle-sœur, mon neveu et un ami. Donc, il y avait mon beau-frère aussi dans la maison qui est mort malheureusement. Donc, ils étaient 5 dans la maison. Donc, et mon beau-frère est mort. Donc, mon mari a pu récupérer 4 personnes, parmi lesquelles ma fille de 11 ans.
And now we are in the parking. This is our new office. Because our office has been affected, the walls are cracked a little. What I know is that people will not feel safe going there. I don't know if they will decide to knock it down, but for us, we should not use it.
J'ai une famille de 5 personnes, j'ai 2 fils. Maintenant, nous sommes tous à la Belle Étoile.
On n'a pas de matelas. On est obligé de mettre des cartons. On est obligé de mettre des cartons, des draps pour pouvoir dormir. Normalement, c'est très difficile.
I didn't have a tent for 8 days, but now I have a small tent. Even it's hard for me because I'm tall, so it's really hard for me to sleep. But at least I have it.
Côté nous, il n'y a pas de sécurité. Et mon apprend à faire des cas déjà sur mon a fait des actions. Parce que nous pas gagner après nous vraiment prendre sécurité parce que si moyen possible si moyen que nous te gagner mais nous yo prend yo.
I can't sleep. It's like sleeping with one eye because you need to make sure that you are awake so that if you need to run, to take your kid and just run. So you can't sleep. And I think it will be like that for a while.
It's not raining now, but the period will come soon. So I'm really worried and concerned about people who doesn't have a tent and what will be the situation in the next few days.
On n'est pas en mesure de pouvoir manger à notre faim. On partage tout ce qu'on a. Disons, si on trouve de l'eau, on ne boit pas pour apaiser notre soif. On prend juste pour rester en vie, pour pouvoir bouger.
Aquí hay muy pocas vías de acceso, entonces en un radio de 5 kilómetros te tomas 2 y 2 horas y media para llegar.
Vraiment parce que l'école est effondrée et puis il dit papa l'école encore parce qu'il n'est pas voulu pour mourir.
Je m'apprêtais, je me préparais pour me marier. J'ai presque tout perdu. Ma fiancée n'a plus de maison pour le moment.
La grande difficulté, c'est le niveau de sécurité et la logistique pour vraiment distribuer l'aide dans les communautés.
People don't really have a plan. They don't have a plan. They don't know what they will do after, let's say, 1 month, 1 year, even years, because everything, I can say, collapsed.
Fuimos el primer país en venir al rescate de ellos, así que hemos sido muy solidarios y a diario acá entran furgones de comida de todo tipo.
As Haitian people, we are very strong, and when you walk in the streets, you can see that people are not happy, but you can see that they want to live for the way anyway. This is not what they say. They say that if I'm alive for a reason, so I have to live.
Everybody felt that their place was here now to see what can be done for the others. In the evening, people start feeling the stress, and I think that being here during the day, it's a good thing for them. That makes them forget a little about the stress that they're dealing with. And I really think that with the staff that we have now, they are really willing to support, almost forgetting their own problems to support others. So that I think that Plan will definitely be able to make a difference.